When most people hear the word property portfolio, they imagine millions, full time investors, complicated deals, and all of those things. But the truth, my good friends, is that every portfolio, it literally starts with one property. It's like a child who's walking. When they start walking, they don't start sprinting. They start with one step, then the next step, then the next step. That's exactly it. You own one property, and bingo, you go to the next, and the portfolio can then be owned with exactly someone who is like you, employed, busy, family to support. That's what we are all about today. But you can change that. You can be able to do that. And today, my good friends, I want to show you how portfolios are actually built in South Africa without the hype, without the shortcuts, or without losing your life in the process. I was thinking, hey, if I do this, hey, I won't be able. I'll be able to show you that. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is TJ, your host, and I'm a former banker and founder here at the TJ Tribe. And I do business with a focus in student accommodation, flips, which is buy and sell, and coaching, with the hope that all of us, as young, upcoming modern parents, we can be able to have passive income from real estate. Welcome to the channel. A portfolio is not about how many properties you own. Let's get that out of the way. A portfolio is a system where one property helps fund the next property. If your properties don't talk to each other financially, you don't have a portfolio. You have properties. That's what you are. You have, all right? Portfolios are built intentionally, not accidental. I used to work in Pietermaritzburg, and I had a job there, and we had a house. So we left the house. It's an investment now. But now I'm staying in Johannesburg. No, I went to a small town and I bought five properties, and bingo, I now have 200 student accommodation, right? It is intentional. I studied the area and I was able to say, okay, fine, there is a shortage here. I'm going to do it. Does it make sense? Okay. Now, I'm going to help you here and look at the what I call the four stages of property portfolio. And the stage number one is that it's the foundation property. So who's the foundation property? This is usually your primary residence. So you bought your first property, and or maybe even your first investment. The goal here is not speed. We want to do things at a speed because we're seeing everybody on social media, they're doing well. No, that's not it. The goal is stability and learning. Two things in stage number one: stability and learning. Continue paying for your bond on that one property. You're building equity. That's what you're doing. But don't forget to learn. Learn. Does it make sense? Good. Stage number two: the first investment property. Now, this is intentional. All right. This is where the mindset should shift, right? And some of you maybe are now like property number 6, 7. You're like, oh, I wish I had known these things. Don't worry. It's all part of the journey. You stop buying for emotion and start buying for cash flow and yield. How much cash am I getting? It's simple. If I buy this property, does it give me what I'm looking for? A return, a profit. The property must help pay itself. The property must help to pay for itself. The property must help to pay itself. My name is TJ. I'm just trying to help you. Yep, that's me. Otherwise, scaling becomes painful or impossible. Finish and clear. Stage number three. Now you start using the rental income from your first one or two properties, equity, you've been paying for that bond, value added strategy because you went to school, you learned, you're better, you know how to add value. This is where most people stop. Not because that they can't continue, but because they don't know how to do it, right? I was that dumb guy before, back in the days, but I'm continuously learning. The deals now continuously teach me. I have teachers, I have mentors, I'm in the class. Hey, my friends, I apologize that I had to break this conversation, but I just wanted to bring you in this conversation of property management. This can become such a hassle. If you've got more than one tenant and they're in different places, this can really become a stress, because all you're now needing to do is to manage tenant issues, maintenance calls, late payments sometimes, and endless paperwork. So my good friends, I have been deploying all my properties to a company that is called Productive Realty. They are out in Boksburg, and all they do is manage properties, particularly for early investors, particularly for seasoned investors, actually for all investors. And they do this because they themselves, they are also investors in properties. They understand the game of investing and managing. The money is not made in buying properties. I always say to people, the money is made in the management of the actual property, because that's a lifelong, you need to be able to pay all the things that you need to pay for. So the company Productive Realty, my good friends, and Leroy Slava, he has a big team there, and they manage their portfolio, and they can also manage your portfolio. So if you're in and around Johannesburg, particularly in the east, they are readily available to actually just be able to jump on board and take over your properties wherever it is right now. They will do placements for you. All of these things that we spoke about, the tenant issues, all of that will be gone, because Productive Realty will be able to manage that for you. So my good friends, all you need to do is drop us an email. You can see where it is here, and the team at Productive Realty will be able to take all of your hassles away from your tenants, and you can be able to have peace of mind, sleep, hassle-free investments whilst they are managing all your tenants for you. So what are you waiting for? Be like me and jump onto Productive Realty. Let the guys help you out. Stage number 4. My name is TJ. I'm trying to help you. Stage number 4 is now, this is where we hit what we call repeatable system. At this stage, you are no longer asking, can I buy again? No, you ask, what type of a deal fits my system? Because the equity is there, the banks loves you. You know what to buy because it's giving you your rental yield. You know how to calculate for it, and you can potentially see the deal before it is a deal. Now, most people never build portfolios because, and I hope you are not one of these people. I pray so. Like really, I do. They never build portfolios because, number one, they buy negatively geared properties. I keep talking about this all the time. That's number one. They exhaust affordability earlier on. They bought the first property in their name. They bought the mommy's car in their name, the father's car in their name. All of expenses are in their names. Anyways, my name is TJ. I'm trying to help you. They don't understand the bank's behavior. The bank is there to sell you money. That's their thing. They want to sell you money, right? They want you to borrow more money, especially in companies, right? They try to do everything alone. I'm going to do it. I'm going to learn on YouTube. You know, this TJ guy, he's great, you know. Hey, yes. Hey, he's good, right? This guy. What? This guy. I'm reading this book. Oh, find a teacher who can help you to shape your journey. And the last one is that they don't have a long-term journey. They're going nowhere slowly. Portfolios might fail, my good friends, they don't fail because of money. They fail because of lack of clarity. The driver doesn't have clarity on where he's going, or the pilot. And then the co-pilot, the wife or the husband, the blind leading the blind. Are we there yet? I'm not so sure. Are we there yet? I'm not so sure. This year, forget that, my good friends. Find a good co-pilot to teach you. Okay. Anyways, inside the TJ tribe, we focus on, amongst other things, building with structure, understand how banks think so that you can obviously use it to your advantage, choosing assets that unlock the next asset for you, growing at a pace that protects your family. Your own father didn't do this for you. Now you are trying to do it for yourself and the next generation to come. So we are very high in this thinking. Okay? So we don't chase quantity, we chase sustainability. A slow portfolio that survives beats a fast one that collapses. Recently, we heard in Soweto, there was a block of flats that collapsed, built illegally. Now, if you're watching this, whatever month that you're watching this in, hear this clearly, my good friends. You don't need 5 properties this year. You need clarity on how the second one will fund the first one. Oh, I lost you then, eh? Oh, my good friends. But my name is TJ. I'm just trying to help you. That's how portfolios, my good friends, are built. Simple. Step by step, with wisdom, and with people walking the journey with you. Now, I don't know what stage you are in. I hope that you are at some stage. There's the foundation stage, there's the first investment, there's the strategy stage, there's the growth stage. But wherever you are, my good friends, I want to be able to help you. My name is TJ. The WhatsApp number that you can reach us on is here below. And we do these videos so that we can be able to inspire and educate you 10 minutes on a Monday. That's all it is. So that you can become better. And all of us, we can hang around and become better people. It is I, your boy, TJ. Boom.